Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Linda Kroon and I'm your senior purser on this flight. And my colleague purser in economy class is Jan Matthijs Smorenburg. On behalf of our Captain Venema and his entire crew at KLM, I would like to welcome you on board of this KLM flight with destinations Guayaquil and Amsterdam. And the flying time to Guayaquil will be only approximately 30 minutes. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Flying Blue and Sky Team members. And in a few moments we will show you a video about the safety procedures on board. On boord van deze KLM vlucht naar Guayaquil en Amsterdam. De vliegtijd is slechts 30 minuten naar Guayaquil. En daarna vervolgen we de reis naar Amsterdam. En een bijzonder welkom voor onze Flying Blue en Sky Team deelnemers. Over enkele ogenblikken tonen wij een film over de veiligheidsvoorzieningen aan boord. En we zullen de overige mededelingen alleen in het Engels doen. Namens KLM wensen wij u een hele prettige vlucht.
Please pay attention to every detail. For your safety, make sure your carry-on luggage is stowed before taxi, takeoff and landing. Small electronic devices may be used at all times, when set to airplane mode and secured in your hand or pocket. After you have selected airplane mode, feel free to turn on Bluetooth. It's not allowed. This includes the use of electronic cigarettes. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened. For your own safety, keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during the flight, even when the seatbelt sign is switched off. To release the seatbelt, just lift the buckle. If there's a sudden decrease in cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will drop automatically in front of you, tightly around your waist. When you're outside the aircraft, inflate your life vest by pulling the red tag. The life vest can be refilled using the mouthpiece. Contact with water will automatically switch on the lights. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin, at the front, in the center, and at the rear. In the unlikely event of an emergency evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path to the nearest exit. Leave all your carry-on luggage behind and follow the instructions of the crew. Please take a moment now to locate the nearest emergency exit. Be aware, the exit may be behind you. It's almost time for the final cabin check. Please make sure that your tray table and video screen have been stowed away, that the back of your seat is in the upright position, and that your headrest has been pushed down. Make sure electronic devices are disconnected from the onboard power supply. We encourage everyone to read the safety on board card located near your seat. At KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, we care about every little detail of your flight safety. If you have any questions, our cabin crew is here to help you. Thank you for your attention. On behalf of KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, we wish you a very pleasant flight.